Birdie, what are you doing? Birdie, come here. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. What? You guys have something in your mouth, don't you? Goody? 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 I know what you have. You have a potato stuck in your mouth, don't you? Did you get it out? Good. You've got something on your eyes. Here, just a second. There we go. Oh. You've got morning on your eyes. Yes. Hi, Goody. Did you like those potatoes? I made them, but I don't like the way they came out. I cooked them too much. And I have some... Oh, you got it all over your eyes. Yeah. So I'm supposed to... Oh, God, I can see what the vet said. Just can't see through your eyes. You have that film. Poor baby. Okay, put your head here. That's it. Okay. Oh, hang on. Good. Good. Yeah. Every day for the rest of your life, Mommy's gonna do that. Yes, because it makes you feel better. Yes, it does. It can be any kind, but I prefer the homeopathic ones because there aren't any preservatives. Well, okay, I'll get it. I'll get it. Okay, let Mommy use her nightgown to wipe you. There you go. Okay. My Goody. How do you always stay so happy? I'm having kind of a melancholy day today. I don't know, just stuff is getting to me. We all have those days. It doesn't help that summer's going away. Okay, so what happened to that Bombolina? Did you want to go and grab a few more of those potatoes? Let's go see those potatoes. Okay, Mr. Mogi is already outside. Come on. Oh, there we go. I have these skewers, metal skewers, that help me to bake them quicker. But I bake them too much. So you just loved it. Why don't you try another one? I know it's not your favorite, but you'll help me get rid of it, won't you? Actually, you'd like it if I put some olive oil on there, but I don't have any. Where's that Bombolina gone? You've already had 6 of them. Let's go and give these to Bombi. Where did she go? Hey, Mr. Moog, did you see Bombi? Bombolina! Oh, there you are, Bombi. This is for you. I have a second one for you too, Bombi. I have to get my shoes before I do that. Oh, I'm just moving stuff around. I have another one for you. grass is really, or the weeds are growing. Here's another one for you. Okay? What? It's neat having a zoom. I have to learn how to do this without shaking my hand. Oh, Mogi, you like my little place over there. I bought a lawnmower, but I had to cover it because it was going to rain last night. Hey, Mr. Moog. Mogi, Mogi. How's that coming along, Bumby? Oh, Bumby, bum, bum, bum. Going next door. Isn't it funny how Creeper barks at Gertie and at me and at Bumby, and Mogi says, "Oh, I don't care." Mogi's being just a little cautious over there. There's a kitty cat next door too. Okay, Bumby? Good. You're welcome.